Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sandy Angel. If you guys are new to my channel, also please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. But as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a Walmart haul. If you watched my last vlog, you saw that I went to Walmart and I picked up a bunch of different clothing items. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the items that I got, how much I paid for them, and how I'm gonna put them together and make a cute outfit with them. So if you want to find out how much I spent and how I'm gonna put these outfits together, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's go. Okay, so in the first outfit that I'm about to show you, you're not gonna believe it, but I only spent $5. So I'm gonna throw this on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks, and I'll explain a little bit more about it. Let's go. This next outfit is actually probably my favorite one, and if I round up, it was about $11. So let me show you how it looks. This next outfit, I actually already had the jeans. I'm only showing you the shirt that I bought and what I'm pairing it with. So this shirt was only $7, which I feel is so cute if you pair it with some jeans. And then I also paired it with some booties, and this is what it looks like. This outfit, I spent a total of $5 at Walmart.